Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we head over to Ervil supermarket to see what we can get on a minimum wage budget. First in the trolley we have some wipes, Pampers. Then we head over to the rinse section, and here I got a free rinse. I'm buying some Ada soap powder, some Lasco and eggs, and we move on to their oil shelf.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go.
You want flour? No. Rice. What regular rice there? How much pound this I be?
5.
This is not 5 pound.
How much?
This is 5 pound, Terry?
10 pounds?
I'm more for 10 pound.
Really?
Huh?
Can buy me for favorite? Aquas. That one here, the pack one them, aqua love.
Smile.
Straight ahead, down at the bottom.
Where so? Can't lift in big foot, you know. Grabbing some Milo and tin milk to make some tea. Then some bottles of water. Check the date. Fight this battle for me. Case of juice. So. Let's see how much millions this bill comes up to.
Buy one more.
I've cash first. What ginger again? Wipes.
Remember the fab or something?
Deixa eu ir first. Foi a minha árvore, ela carrega. Ai, que mal.
Try something else. Try something else.
I got a case of tissue and a case of juice, and the bill is $12,919. And with every supermarket, they offer a loyalty card, so you get cash back on your money.